I just took down these 6 months old cornrows and can you see how weak and haggard my hair looks? So in this video, I'll be showing you the 5-step routine you need to practice right after taking out your protective hairstyles in order to restore the lost strength of your hair and keep it healthy and long all year round. Before starting at all, I already detangled hair thoroughly and showed how to do it the right way in my last video. The last thing you want to do on your hair care day is to walk home. Benocite is an absorbent clay that forms from aging volcanic ash, so it's just a natural clay that absorbs toxins. Most people know it as clay for the skin, but just wait, let me tell you how beneficial this is to your hair. Aside the fact that it draws out the impurities and toxins from the hair and scalp and gives you 100% clean hair, it also unclogs follicles. And you know what happens when your hair follicles unclogs? It creates a perfect environment for hair growth. It doesn't even end there. It also has antimicrobial properties that kills bacteria, fungus, just name it, that causes dandruff and all of that. So if you have itchy scalp, you should be running to the skincare stores right now for this. This clay can be mixed with aloe vera or apple cider vinegar, but for today, I'll be making use of just water. I either make use of a wooden or plastic plate and spoon. So 1 cup of water and 1 cup of clay. I then mixed until it looks creamy and smooth, just like the yogurt texture. You would notice that I first sprayed my hair with water thoroughly before applying this clay mix from roots to tips. I then massage into my scalp until all strands are coated properly. You might want to avoid it drying up in your hair, so I just use my spray bottle on the parts that are trying to pull a fast one on me. Actually, letting it dry might not give the desired result. I then use the plastic cap to cover my hair, and this is to keep it soft and moist while I wait. Clay is a natural clarifying ingredient but doesn't mean that it's weak. So when I say clarifying, it could even mean stripping out natural oil. So the last thing you want to do is to use a shampoo, especially because most shampoos contain sulfates that can harm your hair. But then what's the point if the clay has already done the work of a shampoo? My hair is so clean, softer, and even more tangle free. Notice the difference. Curls are more defined, the natural parts though, because I'm still transitioning, even the shine. Girl, do you know that build-up can slowly change the color of your hair by making it look dull? The clay mask gets rid of all of that trouble. Another thing you don't want to do at this point is protein treatment. Deep conditioning is what you should be doing at this point because it restores moisture to your hair and repairs damaged hair and split ends. Even if your hair is not damaged, you still have to deep condition your hair at least once a month to maintain a healthy hair. It protects the hair from heat and styling appliances and it suits frizz. So apply this moderately on my strands, especially on the tips. This step can get really tricky as some people go to bed with deep conditioner in their hair thinking it gives extra benefits. Please, no. It will rather harm your hair. Deep conditioning should last between 15 to 30 minutes. Can you notice how the ends of this hair folds around the comb? But then after trimming, the comb goes through smoothly. This is why they say split ends are one of the biggest causes of breakage because it tangles so easily due to its weakness. And once you don't get rid of it, it continues to split upwards to the shaft of your hair and causing even worse damage. The reason why I'm putting my hair in a plastic bag is just so that it can create natural warmth so that this deep conditioner can better penetrate my hair and work more effectively. I'm then going to rinse with cold water to close up the cuticles, leading to smoother hair shine, to lock up moisture and also preserve natural oils of the hair. I then use this t-shirt-like material to dab my hair, and next is the leave-in conditioner. And the reason why I like to use the leave-in conditioner in place of the washout conditioner is because the washout conditioner needs to be properly washed out, but this is not the case, especially for natural hair because it's too thick. And washout conditioners can weigh down the hair as it's too heavy. Leave-in conditioners are just like leave-in treatments as it reverses daily damages caused by styling, sun exposure, or even using tight hairstyles. You can notice that when your hair is freezing, applying leave-in conditioners can instantly release it. I used my melted shea butter right after this because it helps seal in moisture, but you can make use of any other hair oil. Everybody's hair is different, and products or hair care habits that work for me might not work for you.
So learn your hair well enough before choosing the right hair care habits. But in doing that, do you know that certain hair care habits can damage your hair? Watch this video next to find out.